Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to open the Run dialog box on Windows. Multiple easy methods. So let's get started. So firstly, method 1, use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus R to enable Run. Here you will type what you want. The another method is go to Start menu. Here you will search for Run. Tap to run the app. Next method is using power user menu. Press Windows key plus X. Here you will see the all options. In this you will click on Run. Here it is. It will instantly open the Run app. Next, last method is using command prompt. Open the command prompt. Here you will type the command explorer.exe shell. This command I will mention in description. You will copy it. Now press enter. It will instantly open the run command. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to open run dialog box on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.